Lipgloss babes, how y'all doing? How y'all doing today? Welcome back to my channel. Today we will be doing a video on how to conquer these butterflies in your lip gloss tubes. They're just placed nicely against the wall of the lip gloss tube. So go ahead and stay tuned and we'll get into this video. So you'll need your syringe with the gloss filled up in it. You will need your actual gloss that you're using to put in the tube. You'll need the actual empty tube that you'll be using. This is the empty tube. And you'll be needing another pipette. So what we're going to be using is the end of this pipette to go ahead and place the butterflies in the lip gloss tube. Last but not least, you'll need your butterflies. Here they are, here they are. So I'm going to grab the top of my gloss. And I'm going to put the butterflies on this top right here. You don't really need that much depending on how many tubes you're filling. We'll just go with that right now. We'll go ahead and get the tube first. Get your pipette. And make sure you sanitize your table first. Of course, I did not show that in the video, but I did do that right before I started this video. Okay, so go ahead and get your lip gloss tube, get your pipette. What I do is I dip it in the actual gloss first in there so it could stick good enough to pick up the butterfly. Look at this one. There's two on here. So you'll get a butterfly just like that. I go ahead and turn it over, dip it in a little bit more gloss so it can stick on the other side. And I use the end of the pipette, stick it in the lip gloss tube, and go ahead and place it. Just like that. Just like that. And then you just repeat the steps. So it's not going to be perfect, but that's how you place them. And then you go ahead, once you get your desired look of where you want your butterflies to be placed, get your syringe and you can fill your tube up. And just like that, that's how you place your butterflies where you desire against the edge of the wall of your lip gloss tube. that's how you place your butterflies and your glosses. I do sell these on my website. Go ahead and go down to the description. My link will be in the description down below. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.